Hello and welcome to Sauji Kitchen. Today we are preparing spicy Sauji gobi manchuri. So the ingredients needed are cauliflower, one medium size. We have finely cleaned it, boiled it in hot boiling water using some turmeric and some salt. So the first ingredients goes here, and the next comes two medium sized finely chopped onions, cabbage medium size finely chopped, ginger garlic paste, some cauliflower half cup, wheat flour 1 medium boil, and here comes some masala items like turmeric teaspoon, masala, red chili powder and salt as per requirement. We will be using some water for mixing the paste, vinegar as per requirement. Take the cauliflower in a bowl. Let's add some corn flour and let's put some rice flour. Let's put some pinch of turmeric powder, masala, 2 pinch of red chili and pinch of salt as per taste. Let's add some ginger garlic paste. We'll take some water for mixing it. Now the mixture is ready. We have taken a pan with 500 ml of oil and let's keep it for heat. Now the oil has heated up. We'll place our mixed batter. As we can see how the gobi has turned golden brown, we have taken a pan with 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's add finely chopped onions, we'll finally mix it. See, the onions are turning golden brown. Let's add some ginger garlic paste. We'll put some finely chopped cabbage. Let's take a pinch of salt, some turmeric powder, some masala and red chili powder as per requirement. If you are a spicy lover, then you can put some more as per you need. We'll mix it well. Some dark soya sauce and finally tomato ketchup. If more gravy is required, you can adjust the ketchup as per requirement. You can prefer some Szechuan chutney for flavor or any chutney that you like. Mix it. We'll place the gobis above it. Mix it thoroughly so that it reaches every corner of the gobi. So as we can see, our gobi manchuri is ready. We can serve it hot and can prefer on any vacation. As we can see, our gobi manchuri is ready. Serve it hot. Enjoy the dish. Write us in the comment box below. Thank you.